Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department asinduna National Horticulture Board ki scheme sing miyam da khanganaba pandamda nongmagi oiba awareness program amanga si pangthokre Sanjen thongda leiba Agriculture Department ki Farmers Training Hall da pangthokhiba awareness program hawdokpagi thawramaduda Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ke Joint Director MD Zakir Hussain Khan, National Horticulture Board Guwahati ki Deputy Director Navanita Barua Mahanta, GBRM Axis Imphal Cluster Deni Khartu, Monsang Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ki Commissioner Taithuilung Panmai, ICAR Manipur Center ke Horticulture Scientist Dr. Chongtham Tanya yauna miyoi kya na sarukya awareness program aduga mari lainana MD Zakir Hussain Khan na hai National Horticulture Board ase India government na kumja Englishing amaga chamapan ga marfu mari December registrar Autonomous Society Amani Board asina horticulture sector asi hen chawkhatnaba thabak thoram sing paikhatpagi thodang lauri board asigi meeting makhada high tech horticulture commercial activity hengathanba modern post harvest management lainaba infrastructure fagathanba horticulture sector da anoba technology popularize oihanaba amadi laumi singda masigi kanaba khanghanba amadi sizinabhanba Quality Labor Planting Material Lomi Sing the Fanghanba, Fresh Horticulture Product Fanghanaba, Kaithel Semba Amadi Promote Tauba, Cold Storage Semba, Anoba Technology, Lomi Amadi, Service Provider Sing the Fanghanba Yauna Tongan Batabak Thoram Kaya Paikatli, Board Namaru in Lomi Singi, Paikatli Ba, Chaukat Taurangi Tabak Sing, Kanghanaba, Pandam Ngasiki Awareness Program Ase, Pangtokpani Haina MD Zakir Hussain Khan Fongdoke.
Farmer khuding makbu awang mathakta banki subsidy piraga laijadaba kayamrum sukan nanaba pibaga loina na matau karam na farmer horticulture farmer khuding makbu karam ba self sufficient senda amsu karam haina chathok phajana phangal angere haiba tampham adugi khongpham adugi nainaba oina ngasi ekhoigi Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation da asigumba one day awareness program asi National Horticulture Board Gurgaon ki Makhada Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ngasi pangthok jabani